koi. Pi bun sien shuwa ban kren to da Pyrkhat. Dei ban Pyrkhat shispah sien. Kanang bakanim kerto asyadi. Balay nga litong
the government talks about development. Let me remind this House that
nama procedure habo parlimen kadon dataway kalenti ongkom assembly ra motion kat bamon ra bill kat bamon ye kat bamon walk out kat bamon MP habo se council dulong kumta ha parliament
the government talks about development. Let me remind this House that Shillong, or rather Meghalaya, is one of the famous tourist destinations. And while talking to friends outside in the corridor, when they ask me where do I come from, I say, I come from Shillong. Oh, Shillong is a very beautiful place. I hope members who have never visited Shillong, or Meghalaya for that matter, would one day make it a point to visit Meghalaya. But the sad part is that Meghalaya is now almost 52 years old. Unfortunately, till today, well, we have an airport, but an airport which is not where big planes cannot land. Even though the fact remains that